You know, I've gotten my hands dirty in a lot of places, but car factories, they're a different breed. The precision, the teamwork, the sheer scale of it all, it's like watching a well-oiled machine in action. Every part has its place, every worker knows their role, and the end result is something truly remarkable. Toyota, now they're a company that knows how to build something. From the moment you step onto their factory floor, you can feel the history and the innovation. It's a place where tradition meets cutting-edge technology, and the result is nothing short of extraordinary. Been around for almost a century, started in Japan, and now they're one of the biggest names in the business. Toyota's journey began in 1937, and over the decades they've grown from a small domestic manufacturer to a global powerhouse. Their story is one of resilience, innovation, and an unwavering commitment to quality. Why? They figured out how to build solid cars that people could rely on. It's not just about putting parts together, it's about creating something that stands the test of time. Toyota's reputation for reliability isn't just a marketing slogan, it's a promise they've kept for generations. But how do they actually do it? The secret lies in their meticulous attention to detail and their relentless pursuit of perfection. Every car that rolls off the assembly line is the result of countless hours of planning, testing and refining. It's a process that involves everyone from the engineers who design the cars to the workers who assemble them. Let's pop the hood and take a look. Inside a Toyota factory, you'll find a blend of human skill and robotic precision. The assembly line is a marvel of modern engineering, with each station dedicated to a specific task. Workers and robots work side by side, each bringing their unique strengths to the table. The result is a car that's built to last, a testament to Toyota's commitment to excellence. The process starts with the design phase, where engineers use the latest technology to create detailed blueprints. These designs are then brought to life in the factory floor, where skilled workers and advanced robots work in harmony. Every step of the process is carefully monitored to ensure the highest quality standards are met. But it doesn't stop there. Once the cars are assembled, they undergo rigorous testing to ensure they meet Toyota's stringent safety and performance standards. From crash tests to road tests, every car is put through its performance. It's this commitment to quality that has made Toyota a global giant in the automotive industry. And it's not just about building cars, it's about building trust. When you buy a Toyota, you're not just getting a vehicle, you're getting a promise of reliability, safety and performance. It's a promise that Toyota will be delivering for nearly a century. You're set to look up. So the next time you see a Toyota on the road, remember the journey it took to get there. From the factory floor to the open road, every Toyota is a testament to the power of innovation, the strength of position, and the importance of quality. It's a story of a global giant that continues to shape the future of the automotive industry. Making a car ain't like baking a cake. You can't just whip it up from a few ingredients. First off, you've got to gather the raw materials. We're talking steel, aluminum, glass, rubber, and a whole bunch of other stuff. These materials come from all over the world, and Toyota's real picky about getting the good stuff. Got to start with a solid foundation, right? The chassis, that's the backbone of the car. It's the fundamental structure that supports the entire vehicle, providing the necessary strength and rigidity. Without a strong chassis, the car wouldn't be able to handle the stresses and strains of everyday driving, let alone the rigors of high-speed travel or rough terrain. It's what everything else gets bolted onto. From the engine to the suspension, every critical component of the car relies on the chassis for support. The process of assembling these parts is a meticulous one, requiring precision and attention to detail to ensure everything fits perfectly and functions as intended. Giant presses, some bigger than a house, stamp out the steel sheets into different parts of the chassis. These presses exert enormous pressure, shaping the metal with incredible accuracy. Each press is designed to create specific parts, from the floor pan to the side panels, all of which must meet exacting standards to ensure the safety and performance of the final product. It's like a massive cookie cutter, but instead of dough, it's shaping metal. The precision of these machines is astounding, capable of cutting and forming metal to within fractions of a millimeter. This level of accuracy is crucial as even the smallest deviation can affect the fit and function of the assembled chassis. These pieces are then welded together by, you guessed it, more robots, creating the frame of the car. The welding process is highly automated, with robotic arms performing thousands of welds with perfect consistency. This ensures that the chassis is not only strong but also uniform, with each weld contributing to the overall integrity of the structure. The result is a chassis that is ready to support the rest of the car, providing a solid foundation for everything that comes next. Now for the heart of the beast, the engine. These intricate machines are assembled on a separate line, each part carefully put in place. Pistons, crankshafts, valves, it's a symphony of mechanics. Then you've got the transmission, the gearbox that sends power to the wheels. It's all about precision here, folks. One tiny mistake and the whole thing could go kerplunk. A symphony of parts assembling the body. With the chassis and engine ready, it's time to put the car together. The body panels, made from those big sheets of steel we saw earlier, get fitted onto the chassis. Doors, hood, roof, they all get lifted into place and secured. It's like a giant jigsaw puzzle, only with a lot more welding and bolting. Robots at work, automation on the assembly line. Toyota's factories are like something out of a science fiction movie. Robots are everywhere. They weld, they paint, they install windshields. These high-tech helpers work alongside the human workers, handling the repetitive or dangerous tasks. It's all about efficiency and precision. Precision is key quality checks at every step. Toyota's got a reputation for quality, and that's no accident. Throughout the entire production process, there are checkpoints everywhere. Workers inspect parts, robots scan for imperfections, and computers analyze data. Every single car that rolls off the line is held to the highest standards. A splash of color painting the Toyota. Time to give these cars some personality. The painted bodies are dipped in giant baths of primer and paint, then baked in ovens to cure the finish. They even have these electrostatic sprayers that make sure the paint adheres perfectly. It's like a giant high-tech car wash. Putting on the finishing touches. The final assembly line is where it all comes together. The engine and transmission get lowered into the chassis. The interior seats, dashboard, all the bells and whistles gets installed. Tires are slapped on. This is where the car truly starts to look like, well, a car. Ready to roll final testing and delivery. Last stop, quality control. This is where every Toyota vehicle undergoes its final and most crucial examination. It's a meticulous process designed to ensure that every car meets the highest standards of quality and safety. Each car goes through rigorous testing. They check the brakes, ensuring they respond perfectly under various conditions. The brake system is one of the most critical components, and it must perform flawlessly to guarantee the safety of the driver and passengers. The lights are inspected to make sure they provide optimal visibility and function correctly in all scenarios. The engine undergoes a thorough examination to confirm it delivers the power and efficiency Toyota is known for. Every component, from the smallest bolt to the most complex system, is scrutinized. If it doesn't meet Toyota's standards, it doesn't leave the factory. Any car that fails to pass these stringent tests is sent back for adjustments and improvements. This commitment to quality ensures that only the best vehicles make it to the showroom. Once it gets the green light, it signifies that the car has passed all inspections and is ready for the next stage. This approval is a testament to the car's reliability, safety and performance. It's loaded up and shipped off to a dealership near you. The logistics team ensures that the cars are transported safely and efficiently, maintaining the same high standards of care during transit as in the factory. And there you have it, a brand new Toyota ready to hit the road. From the factory floor to the dealership, every step is taken with precision and care. When you drive a Toyota, you can be confident that you're driving a vehicle that has been crafted with the utmost attention to detail and quality.